Hi and welcome back. It is time for another video. It's always time for video, it feels like in my life, because I film constantly. I don't know what's going on with my hair. It's going through a thing. I don't know. Whatever. Here comes my food, actually, so hang on. That was way quicker than I was expecting. But, hi. So it is Sunday, the first day of spring, and it is glorious outside here in Michigan. It doesn't look like it because it's a parking lot, but it is. Lots going on in my world right now, and so I got a lot of stitching done last night, and I'm hoping to have it finished today. What? I'm so excited. All right, let's see. Hi, and welcome back. It is Monday, and I did some stitching yesterday, not much though. Just haven't been feeling the best. I've been off. But I gotta show you something. So, if you've been around for a while, you'll know that's weird. My hair though, sorry. You will know that I have this horrendous fear of borders. I am terrified that they're not going to match up and that it's going to be wrong, and I spent days stitching this. Alright, not days, but I've been stitching way too long on something that's not even matching up because, look. Oh! I just have to add some accents and we're done. I decided not to do the white outer border because you can't even see the inner white border at all. But I'm super excited. This is going to be done in like 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright, hang on. Alright, I'm super excited. Wait, there it is. Okay. It's very hard to find the corner or something when it's a mandala, guys. Because look, I have a finish. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Oh, I love it. I always have notifications, guys. It's cool. It's just what we do here on my channel. Because I'm a trash human. I'm a trash human. But look at that. I'm so happy. So that is a finish for the month. Makes me happy. Alright. Alright, so I'm super excited, guys. I love this project so much. I am going to start on my third page for Snow White and Seven Dwarfs by Donna Stitch. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. I love the blocky color. It's a thing with me. I love this. I'm so excited. My goal is 120, but we'll see how much I actually do. I still have like 5 or 6. Let's count. Count together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 projects to hit this month. One of them I don't think is getting hit at all. 2 of them might not be getting hit, so like 5 more after this. Sorry, that's probably loud. And I'm down to like a week. So probably just for tonight. But I want to start things. I shouldn't start things. But will I? More than likely. I haven't finished, so I get a start, right? That's how that works, right? Hi, and welcome to my office. I finished the apple last night. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so cute. And those actually are filled in with white. I can't tell if you can tell because of the lighting. But yes, I'm excited. I'm ready for my new project. And yeah. Alright, ready for my new project? I am. I have my Liberty Lane. This one is one of my caustics. Shock of the Century Small Town Stitches just texted me. By the way, thank you so much for everyone who is over from her channel. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I don't remember not knowing her, but she is older, obviously, because she's wiser than I am. Yeah, we are fairly close. Always, like, we grew up together type of deal. So yeah, thank you for coming and stopping by. I'm a small channel, but I enjoy it, and I like the vlogs because it keeps me accountable. And I can't just like push it off saying, oh, I'll stitch later. So, all right, I'll see you at home probably. All right, it is Wednesday morning and I thought I'd grab a new project before work because I did 90 stitches on Liberty Lane. You can't tell, but I filled in all the windows. So there you go. This was not an acrostic. So I'm down to the projects that I have not stitched on are all acrostics. So yeah, it's great. So I still have, I've done 5. And I have like 6 to go. And we're like a week away. Plus the busiest week of the year at work. I work for a church and we are coming up to Easter / Holy Week. So it's a little intense. Little intense at work. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, here we go. So I'm picking up something wicked. And we're doing boot, guys. That's all we're doing. Because that's all that's left. So we're going to work on some boot. I love this fabric though. I don't know what else I'm going to do with the other like 2/3, but I love this. It's so pretty. All right, well, I did it. 131 stitches. And that is going to be the bottom of the piece because I'm not going to do the single border. Borders are not my thing. Not really. But so I'm excited. This is fun. I really like this stitch. By the pricking of something. I can't read the rest because it's under my case now. So, today's a weird day for me. 3 years ago today, I was in cardiac arrest. So, done a bunch of emotions, a bunch of weird stuff. So I'm going to grab some stitching and go hang out with some people and call it a day. I'll see you later. So I got 131 done on Wicked Witchcraft. So we did her sleeve and just started doing more of her body. I adore this fabric. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It's me. It's just me in a nutshell. Let's see. Let's make a decision real quick. I don't know what we're gonna stitch on. Let's go with Monster March. Let's grab it. All right, we have Monster March. Let's see. And here we are. I love this fabric, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, it's so much fun. So I'm going to do the E, I think. Why not? Let's see if we can get this done. Because it is Friday evening and I finished Friday nights for my video. So let's see if we can get this done in time. All right. So I did a little bit more than the E, guys. So we finished the wordlets. Just over 200. So there we go. The first word is done. And this is done for the month. It is the 26th. Yes. Today's the 26th. I have 5 days left of the month. Mind you, it is my busiest week of the year at work because I am Catholic and I work at a Catholic church. And Holy Week is upon us. So I don't know how much stitching I'm going to get done next week. But we will see. And I still have 3 more projects to hit for both my caustic and for all of my projects. Because I try to hit every single one every month. But, story time. So I was just getting my stuff together. You know, putting all of my Floss or Monster March back in my bag. My pattern, my Q-snap cover, the whole thing. And I've been avoiding working on 2 projects because they're pattern keeper projects. And I haven't been able to find my cord, and I've been annoyed. So I just placed an order for like 5 new cords for like $8, whatever. And found it. It was in my Monster March bag. Makes no sense, because that is actually the only project I have that's actually on paper. But guess what we're charging tonight? Cords. That's about it, guys. I am tired. It is 11 p.m. on a Friday night. Get to edit all this, upload, and I will see you next week. I hope you are having a wonderful and colorful day.